Valorant not working on Windows 11? Facing Vanguard errors, launch issues, or compatibility problems? Let's fix it now with simple steps. First, locate your Valorant shortcut. Right-click on it and choose Properties from the menu. Next, go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4. Once done, click Apply, and then OK. This ensures that Valorant runs in a mode that works best with your system. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Now, right-click on your taskbar and open Task Manager. In the Task Manager, find Riot Client in the list of running processes. Right-click on it and select End Task. Make sure to close any other Riot-related processes the same way. This clears any background tasks that might be causing issues. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Press Windows + R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. Type tpm.msc and hit Enter. This will show the status of your system's TPM, Trusted Platform Module. If it says Disabled or Compatible TPM cannot be found, you'll need to enable TPM through your system's BIOS settings. This step is crucial because TPM is required for Valorant to run properly. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Next, we'll do a fresh install of the game. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Valorant in the list, click the three dots next to it, and choose Uninstall. Confirm by clicking Uninstall again and wait for it to finish. Open your browser and search for Valorant Download. Click on the first link in the search results. It should be the official Valorant page. Click Play for free. Then click PC. Download the installer file. Once the download is complete, double-click on the file and follow the instructions to reinstall Valorant on your system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.